Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a Ford Galaxy 2013 on a 13 plate. Very clean and tidy car. 152,000 miles. Not that you would know it. It does drive really well. We have just put a new dual mass flywheel and clutch kit in this one. It will also come with the service and anything else it needs, but we needed to do the clutch. That's all done. So for its miles, it's really tidy, so you won't be disappointed with how it looks and how it drives. And these do mega miles if you look after them. So it's a titanium, it's a 2 litre, 140 brake horsepower. Titanium's got rear privacy glass. It's got leather, this one as well. It's got sat nav. It's got overhead storage. You can see that, like pop down storage bins. And it is really clean for its mileage. You really wouldn't know. 152, 246, and we've got other bits like dual zone climate controlled air conditioning, 6-speed cruise control, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's all there. Very nice. More pictures on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk. You can give us a call 07 868 722 133.